Hi, Sue back with this week's Crafty Make. So this week's theme is Aristocracy, and this week I'm going to show you how to do a family crest. So we're going to design this and then you can fill it in with things that you or your family are interested in. Okay, so you will need some paper or card, a pencil, some scissors and a pen, and then you can, if you wanted to colour it in, you can have some felt tips or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you how to draw the outline. Now if you want to create any sort of shape that is symmetrical, the easiest way to do this is to create a template. So template is something that you use to draw around something like this. So in order to do that, what you do is you get your paper or your card and you fold it in half. So if you do everything folded in half, you know that you're going to get a nice symmetrical shape. Okay, so I'll show you. So you want to start at the top and you're going to come in and out like that. So we've got a nice smile curve, then we're going to come down straight and then we're going to curve in, and you want a nice little point at the end, like so. Okay, so then you cut that out, following the line. So if you're quite confident with cutting, you don't necessarily have to draw the shape in, but it's easier. So again, if you've got children, they might want to draw the shape, you might want to cut it out. And then you've got something like this. And if it's not quite the shape you want, you can fold it back, trim it up. So that is your template, which you then use to draw around on your paper. So keep it nice and centred. So put it towards the bottom of the paper so that you've got a nice lot of space at the top to draw your scroll, which I'm going to show you how to do. So you go around. So you obviously do it a little bit more carefully than it. All the way around, like so. So doing it in pencil so that if there are any mistakes you can rub it out. So then what I'm going to do is just divide it into 4, because often with crests you have different sections. So some school, you get a school crest, you might have one in school uniform. That might have different houses of the school in it or different interests. Okay, so there we've got our general sort of shield. So I'm going to show you now how to draw a scroll which sits along the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little curve line in. So I'm going to have a scroll. So rather than it just being a straight one, I'm going to have a little bit of a curve. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to follow that shape along there. Now to make it look three-dimensional, I'm going to come off that corner and do a little curl like that. And then I'm going to draw a line up. And you see it feels then like the scroll is going around, and we're going to do on this side, but we're going to do it at the top. Little curl round, a line down, and like that. So you can put in your family name or your own name or anything like that. And then just to finish off, I'm going to do some kind of flat, leafy sort of shape. So I'm going to do some lines coming out like that, and then off the lines, some wiggly lines, getting smaller at the end. Like so. But you can add, you could have flowers, you could add any kind of decoration that you like. Once you've done that, use a black felt tip and you go around and outline everything that you've done, and then you can put your name in, and like I say, you can fill it in with lots of different designs, even just patterns or colours, and that's how you do a crest.